Hi, hello. Welcome to BMS Academy of JEENEET Physics, Hyderabad. It is exclusively conceptual oriented and objective oriented coaching center for NEET and IIT entrance examinations. This is Mr. BHANU MOORTHY SHARMA, Senior Physics Faculty Member, Senior Physics Tuition Master in Hyderabad, having 30 years of teaching experience in NEET and IIT entrance coaching. I worked in different corporate institutions. You should know one point on the behalf of students and parents' request. I established this institution, BHANU MOORTHY's Academy of Objective Physics Institution, in the year 2014. It is running successfully for the past 10 years. Tremendous response, very good response is coming from the students' point of view and parents. Thanks to one and all. My dear students and parents, I want to explain the importance of physics in this video class. You please listen all NEET and IIT aspirants. In fact, physics is a tough subject. It plays an important role in deciding the ranks in IIT as well as NEET entrance exams. So physics is very tough subject, plays a vital role in examinations. Now, the students are not able to solve the problems in physics. Numerical methodology, they could not understand the analytical treatment of numerical problems. They are not in a position to do the problems in entrance examinations. Why? What is the reason? There may be several factors. Number one, it may be due to lack of concentration and interest in the student, first of all. Second one, it may be due to the lack of providing proper guidelines, proper teaching, proper motivation, applying proper methodology by the teachers and tutors, by the lecturers in different corporate institutions and colleges. And the third one is, it may be due to the lack of awareness in the subject, students' point of view. Awareness in the sense, basics, fundamentals, conceptual models, application type of numericals. So many are there. So due to the lack of subject awareness in the students. So like that, so many reasons are there in order to get rid of all these difficulties. I established this institution and I am giving online coaching, offline coaching. We are projecting chapter-wise basics, fundamental formulas, numerical based problems and the solutions, application type of problems. We are explaining in detail about conceptual models in different chapters. We are also making the students to do homework problems. We are also making the students, insisting the students to prepare to do some imposition problems on their own. We are making some group discussions between me and students so that the students can develop their confidence level. We try to improve the confidence level. So these are the specialties of this institution. To get rid of all those problems now, we are giving such type of coaching in this tuition point. So tremendous response is coming from the students and parents from the last 10 years. So in this academic year, my dear students, NEET aspirants and IIT aspirants, you are going to write upcoming examinations. So if you want to join in this institution, you please go through this address, my address in Hyderabad. I am giving online coaching also throughout India. I have my own YouTube channel. I am projecting some YouTube video classes, chapter-wise previous entrance questions and their explanations, conceptual models, application type of numerical solutions I am giving in detail. You please go through all those my video classes. I am going to start new video classes from this month, July 2025. Then you decide yourself whether to join in this institution or not. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Do viral this video class, introduction class, of course it is, to all your parents or to all your friend circle. In the next upcoming video classes, you always keep in touch with them and you decide whether to join in this tuition point or not. The specialty of this institution is conceptual oriented, objective type, analytical treatment, application type of numericals and solutions on the basis of previous entrance questions. Even ordinary student can be cherished in this tuition point. Meritorious students can improve their ranks. My dear students, this is my schedule. I am conducting 7 batches in this tuition point. I myself is the director and tutor. So I am taking 7 batches now. Early morning batches 2 I am conducting B1, B2. So these are the timings, 4:30 to 6 and 6 to 7:30, 2 batches. And morning daytime batches, long term. This is exclusively for long term students, those who finished intermediate. So I am projecting 2 batches now for them. And in the evening batches, in the evening hours, I am conducting 3 batches, B5, B6, B7. So the classes will be finished at 9:30. So this is the timetable in this tuition point. Bye, my dear students. Better luck. Go through my video classes. Keep on watching. From the next, very soon, frequently I am releasing video classes, right?